Can you hear me? How are you?
Good.
Okay, you're welcome to class today. And I learned you're preparing for a test, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I want you to put your mind in everything we'll do right now today, okay?
You still here at Philippines?
What did you say?
We're still here at Philippines.
Okay. That's great. That's great. So,
Did you thought that we're going to Singapore? Ready?
not yet, but I know that you have a
June,
test.
that's still June when we're going to Singapore. June.
Okay. That's great. So now let's look at the first question here, okay?
Fine.
We want to divide 150 by 50. Hold on, let me see. We have something like this. Then this is 150 divided by 50. So we will say how many 50 is in 1? It cannot go, okay? Is that clear? So how many 50 is in 15? It can't go still. Then how many 50 is in 150? That is 3, okay?
Fine.
Now 3 times 150 is 150. Then when we subtract, we are going to have 0, okay?
Fine.
So it does not remain anything. So we can say 150 divided by 50 equal to 3. Is that clear?
Fine.
Okay. And another way to do this, you can do it like 150, let me say, or another way, 150 divided by 50 can be done in this way. So 150 over 50. So if you say 150 over 50, you say 0 cancels 0, okay?
Fine.
Then you have 15 over 5. So you're going to divide by 5. How many 5 is here? 1. How many 5 is here? 3. Then your answer is 3 over 1, which is 3. Is that clear?
Fine.
And we have the same answer. Okay, let us look at another example. Example 2. We want to divide 640 by 80. So if we have 640 to be divided by 80, so we have 640 and 80, okay? So we say how many 80, are you listening to me, Maggie? I can hear you playing some sounds there, right? Okay. So how many 80 is in 6? It can go. 80 in 64 cannot go, but 80 in 640 is 8 because 8 in 64 is 8, okay?
Fine.
So 8 times 80 is going to be 640. Then we
Fine.
have to subtract at this level. Then we have 0 as the remainder because this is just 0.
Fine.
Other way, we can say, or 640 divided by 80. What am I supposed to do? 0 cancels 0, okay?
Fine.
Then we have 64 over 8. Then you can divide it. How many 8 is here? 1. How many 8 is here? 8. That is 8 times 8 is 64. So 8 over 1 equal 8. Is that clear?
Fine.
Yeah. Okay. Now we'll look at another example. Number 3. If we have 240 divided by 30. 30. So 240 divided by 30. So we have something like this, 240 and 30. So it's just like saying 3 in 24 if you remove the zeros, okay?
Fine.
Yeah, so how many 3 is in 24? I have 8. So that's why I can say 30 into 40 is 8. So if I say 8 times 3 is 24 and the 0 should be there. So 240. When you subtract, you have 0, 0, 0. Or we can say 240 divided by 30. I'm going to use the 0 to cancel 0. Yes or no?
No.
Yes, I'm going to use 0 to cancel 0. Yes or no? Yes. Okay.
Fine.
Then I have 24 over 3. So how many 3 is in 3? That's 1. Miggy, how many 3 is in 24? 3 times what will give me 24, Miggy?
30.
No. How many 3 is in 24? 3 times what? 3 times what will give me 24? 3 times what will give me 24? That's 3 times 8, okay?
Fine.
So that is 8. So 8 over 1, and this is 8. So this answer is this answer. Number 4. I think is that number 4. Yeah, number 4. I have 180 divided by 20. 180 divided by 20. So 180 divided by 20. 20. So this is like saying 18 divided by 2, okay?
Fine.
So how many 2 is in 18? That's 9, okay?
Fine.
Now 9 times 2 is 18, and if you drop the 0, so you will have 0, 0, 0. Or you can do it another way and say 180 divided by 20. Miggy, tell me what to do now. What am I supposed to cancel? Look at the one above.
You should cancel 9.
Wait a minute. This is the question. Okay?
Fine. 180.
Yes, 180 over 20. Look at this one. When I have this, what did I cancel here? I canceled the 0, right?
Fine.
Yeah, so in the new one, what do you think I should cancel now in this place? I will cancel the 0, okay?
What?
Then I have 18 over 2. So, Miggy, let's divide by 2. How many 2 is there, Miggy?
There are
1, okay?
1.
Then how many 2 is in 18, Miggy?
There are
That is 2 times what will give me 18?
fine.
2 times what will give me 18?
Fine.
2 times what?
7.
No,
14.
no. 2 times what will give me 18? 2 times what will give me 18?
Um, 20. I mean, 9.
9, that's correct. So 2 times 9 gives me 18. So that means how many 2 is in 18? That's 9, okay?
Fine.
So I have
That's
9, 9 over 1, which is 9. Is that clear now?
Fine.
Okay,
Clear.
number 5. Number 5. So for number 5, I have 300 divided by 60. 300 divided by 60. So let's divide this. Let's do this. Okay, hold on. I need to bring this down and bring this out. So 300 divided by 60. It's just like saying 30 divided by 6. So 360, okay?
Fine.
So Miggy, how many 6 can I see in 30? That is 6 times what will give me 30? That's 5, okay? So 5 times 6 is also 30. Then I can say this is 0. So you remove this, that's 0, 0, 0. Or we'll use the other method, which is 60, 300 divided by 60. 300 divided by 60. So Miggy, what will I cancel now?
You should cancel.
What
The,
will I cancel? Yeah.
Cancel that
The 0.
the 0 you should.
Then this is 30 over 6. So how many 6 is in 6? How many 6 is here? 1. How many 6 is in 30?
I can't hear you properly because
Yes.
there's a phone. There's a sound of a phone.
Okay, around you.
Someone is calling.
Okay, okay. So can you hear me now?
Not yet. Still ringing.
Okay, maybe you should remove it from there.
Sorry about that.
Okay, okay. So how many 6 is it?
Someone called my code and
Okay,
my grandmother's phone.
okay, okay. So how many 6 is in 6? That's 1. How many 6 is in 30? That is 6 times what will give me 30? That's 6 times 5, okay?
Fine.
Then
Fine.
Then this is 5. So 5 over 1.
For a while, okay?
Where are you?
Just close the door.
Okay, okay. Now, the next example is 420. 420 divided by 70. Let's look at it now, okay?
Fine. Look at it.
Yes, 420 divided by 70. This is like saying, how many 7 is in 42? 7 times what will give me 42?
Fine.
Yeah, 7 times what will give me 42?
Fine.
Yeah, I want an answer. 7 times what will give me 42? That is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Then you put 0 here. And this is 0, 0, 0. Or you say 420 divided by 70. So Miggy, what will I cancel here now? Yes. What am I going to cancel?
0.
0. Good. Then I have 42 over 7. So how many 7 is in 7? That's 1. Okay.
Fine.
How many 7 is in 42, Miggy?
Fine. What?
How many 7 is in 42? That is 7 times what will give me 42? Yeah, 7 times what will give me 42? 7 times 6, so it's 6, okay?
Fine.
And that is 6. You can see the answers are the same here. Okay, the next example, number 7. I want you to please pay attention, okay?
Fine.
Number 7, I have 160 divided by 40. What did I call the number? 160 divided by 40. So I have 160, I have 40. So if you remove the zeros, you have, how many 4 is in 16? Miggy? That is 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. Then you put 0 and subtract. That's 0, 0, 0. Okay? Or 160 divided by 40. So what will I cancel, Miggy? What will I cancel? 0. Good. Then what do I have left? 16 over 4. So how many 4 is in 4, Miggy? 4 here, 1. 4 here is what? 4. So I have 4 over 1, which is 4. And our answer is the same. Okay?
Fine. Sige.
Number
Fine.
8. Number 8.
Fine.
I have 360 divided by 90. 360. Let's draw the shape here. 360 divided by what? 90. Divided by what? Miggy, are you there?
Divided by 90.
Good. So just like saying 9 in 36. How many 9 is in 36? That's 4. So 4 times 9 is 36. Then you put 0. Then you have 0, 0, 0 when you subtract. Or 360 divided by 90. What will I cancel?
0.
0. What do I have left? 36 over 9. So what is 36 over 9, Miggy? How many 9 is in 9? That's 1. How many 9 is in 36? That's 4. 4 over 1 is 4. Okay?
Fine.
Good. Then we still have some more example to look at because you're going to have a division test soon. Okay?
Fine.
Yeah, number 9. Let's do number 9. We have 120 divided by 60. What do you think this will be, Miggy? If I cancel zeros, I have 12 divided by 6. So what is 12 divided by 6?
12 divided by 6.
Yeah, that should be 2. Okay?
Fine.
Good. Number 10. Let's see number 10. 350 divided by 50. Okay?
Sige.
350
Ay,
divided by 50. So if 0 cancels 0, we have 35 divided by 5. 5 times what will give me 35? That is 7. Okay?
Fine.
Just like 6 times 2 will give me 12. Okay?
Fine.
5 times 7 will give me 35. Is that clear?
Fine.
So that's why the answer here is 2, and the answer here is 7. Number 11, let's do more division. Number 11, we have 210 divided by 70. 210 divided by 70. Miggy, what do you think the answer should be if I remove the 0? 7 times what will give me 21?
Yeah.
Yeah, if I remove the zeros, 7 times what will give me 21, Miggy? 7 times what will give me 21? 7 times what will give me 21?
0.
No.
That's 0.
No. 7 times 3 is 21. Okay?
Yeah. That's
3.
1.
3. So the answer is 3 because 7 times 3 is 21. Okay?
Fine.
Then let's look at number 12. I want you to please look at this. 480 divided by 80. So if I remove the 0, what will I consider? 8 times what will give me 48? 8 times what will give me 48? 8 times what? 8 times what will give me 48? Miggy.
Fine.
Miggy?
8.
No, 8 times 8 will not give me 48. 8 times 8 will give me
That's 8. 8 times 8.
8 times 8 is 64. Okay?
Fine.
Not 48. So 8 times what will give me 48?
Fine.
Yes, answer the question. 8 times what will give me 48? 8 times 6 is 48. Okay?
Fine.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, fine.
8 times 6 will give us 48. So the answer is 6. All right?
Fine.
Now, number 13. Let's look at number 13. We have 240 divided by 40. 240 divided by 40. So if you remove the 0, you have 24 and 4, right?
Fine.
So, Miggy, 4 times what will give me 24? 4 times what equals 24? Miggy, 4 times what equals 24?
4.
No.
6.
4 times 6, that's correct.
That's 6. 4
Yeah.
times 6.
Yeah, that's correct. So 4 times 6 is 24. So my answer is 6. Is that clear?
Fine.
Now number 14. If you have 180 divided by 30, 180 divided
Fine.
by 30. So if I remove the zeros, I have 18 and 3, right?
Fine.
Now, 3 times what is 18?
18. It's
Yeah.
6.
6. Good. So what will be my answer? 3 times 6 is 18. So my answer is 6, okay?
Fine.
Now number 15. We want to do 97 divided by 20, okay?
Fine.
Yeah, let's do this. We have this, we have this, and we have this. So 97 divided by 20. How many 20 can you see in 97? Let's keep counting. 20, another 20, another 20, another 20. This is 80, okay?
4.
So how many 20s are these? How many are these? How many 20? Miggy, how many 20s are these?
4.
4. So how many 20 is in 97? That's 4. Okay. Okay.
Fine.
What is 4 times 20? Miggy. What is 4 times 20?
4 times 20 is what?
No, it's 80. Okay.
Wait for a while.
Yes, it's 80. Okay. 4 times 20 is 80. Okay.
Fine.
Yeah. So I'm going to write 80 here. Can you see it here?
Fine.
Then let's subtract. What is 7 minus 0, Miggy? That's 7. What is 9 minus 8? What is 9 minus 8?
9 minus 8
Yeah,
is 1.
1. So this is our remainder. What is the remainder? 17. So if we say 97 divided by 20, our answer is 4 remainder 17. Okay?
Right.
Is this clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let's look at the next one. Number 16. Number 16. We have 196 divided by 60. What did I call it?
I call it as
What,
division.
what number did I mention? 196 divided by 60, okay?
Fine.
So how many 60 can you see in 196? Miggy, tell me, how many 60 can you see in 196? Keep adding 60 and tell me how many is in 196.
One only.
What do you say?
One only.
No, no. 60 plus 60 plus another 60 will give me 180. So how many 60 is this?
Yeah.
How many 60?
One.
How many 60 can you see here?
3.
3. So what is 3 times 60? Miggy?
There are 3.
What is 3 times 60?
180.
3 times 60 is what? Miggy,
I don't know.
look at it. This is the answer.
3 times 60.
3 times 60 is what? This is your answer. Look at your answer. Look at your answer here.
180.
Yes, 180. So let's subtract. 6 minus 0 is what?
180.
6 minus 0 is what? Miggy.
11.
No, look at the screen. 6 minus
11.
6 minus 0 is what? 6. 9 minus 8 is what?
1.
1. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. So our remainder is 16.
16.
So if we say 196 divided by 60, our answer is 3 remainder 16. Okay?
Fine.
All right. Let's look at the next example. Example 17. Number 17. 278 divided by 50. Can you do this for me, Miggy? 278 divided by 50. Okay? 278 divided by 50. So, Miggy, do this and tell me your answer. Miggy, what's your answer? 278 divided by 50. How many 50 can you see in 278? Now let's look at it. 50 plus 50 is 100, okay? Plus another 50 is what? 150, okay? Is that clear?
Fine.
Plus another 50 is 200. Plus another 50 is 250. And 250 is close by. If you had another one, that would be 300. That's greater than 278, okay?
Fine.
So this is 250. So how many 50 is there now?
2, 4.
No?
5.
5. So what is 5 times 250? 5 times 50 is what? 5 times 50 is what? This is your answer here. 5 times 50 is what? 250. Then you subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8. What is 7 minus 5? What is 7 minus 5? 7 minus 5 is what? 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay?
Fine.
Then we can say 278 divided by 50 is 5. Remainder what? 28. Is
Fine.
that clear to you, Miggy?
Fine.
Let me give you the next one to do, classwork. Okay? Are you ready?
Fine.
Where are you? I can't find you there. Okay. Miggy, should I explain again?
No.
No need, right? So can you do the classwork?
Fine.
Okay. Should I give you the classwork now? Can you do it?
Or maybe you should explain.
So let me bring it up, okay?
Fine.
So try this number 18, which is, are you there now?
Fine.
Okay. So you have 345 divided by 80. Try this for me, okay? Okay.
Fine.
Get your pencil and your book, or get your pen and your book, anyone. Okay.
Fine.
I'm waiting. Go get your pencil and your book.
Fine. Fine.
Yes. So try this one.
Ah.
So let me know once you have your answer. You have 3 minutes.
Fine.
Yes. Are you on it?
Fine.
Are you on it?
Yeah.
You can also follow the example, okay? Look at my example. I said 50. How many 50 in 278? I started adding 50 until I was close to 278, okay? And when I got one that is close to 278, that if I had another 50, it's going to be greater than 278, then I stopped, okay? So yours is 80, not 50. So it's 80 you're going to work with while I work with 50 here, okay? So I'm waiting for you to get me your answer. And when I got 250, I counted how many 50s. That was 5. So I wrote a 5. Then I multiplied 5 by 50 to give me 250. I subtracted 250 from the given number. I have remainder 28. So, Miggy, I'm waiting for you. You have just 1 minute more. Time is up. Okay. The time is up. So what's your answer?
Yes.
You're not done yet? Okay, let's do it together. So I'll give you another one, okay?
Fine.
Okay. So look at the example above. Can you see this example at the top?
Fine.
Read the question for me. What is the question 17?
50 divided
No,
by
no.
150.
278 divided by 50. Say that.
158.
Yeah, 278 divided by 50, okay?
Fine.
Now, what did I do? I started adding 50s, right?
Fine.
Until I was close to 278 and I stopped and I counted how many 50s. That's 5, is that clear?
Fine.
Then I subtracted 250, then it gave me the remainder. So what do you think we should do in your own example? Are we going to add 50 or 80s?
Fine.
I'm asking you a question. Are we going to be adding 50 for your own example, or we're going to be adding 80? Which one? Miggy? Miggy?
Oh, yeah.
In the number 17, we are dividing by 50. So we were adding 50 until we get to 250. So in your own example, in your own number 18, are we going to be adding 50 again, or we're going to be adding 80?
Fine.
Okay, wait. Look up. Let's check some of the previous example. Look at this example 16. Read the question in example 16 for me. What is the question? Read it for me here.
Divided by 106.
No. 100
This is divided by 196.
No. 196 divided by 60. Say that again.
196.
Divided by 60. Okay, say it.
Fine.
Divided by what?
196.
No. The question is 196 divided by 60. Say that again.
60 divided by 196.
No way.
Wow.
196 divided by 60. 196 divided by 60. Again.
Fine.
Now say it. Let me hear you.
196
Divided by
60.
Good. So when we had 60 here, what did we do? What did we count? We started adding 60, yes or no?
No.
Yes or no? We started adding 60 here,
No.
right?
Right. Fine.
Fine. Look at question 17. Read question 17 for me.
50 divided 278.
No way. 278 divided by 50. Say that.
278 divided by 50.
Now, so what did I add together? 50, yes or no?
No.
I started adding 50, yes, right?
No. Right.
Good. So in your own example, read your own question for me. Miggy, read your own question for me.
Yes. Make sure you can have everything here. Fine.
Miggy.
345 divided by 80.
Good. So what am I going to be adding here? Is it 50 or is it 80?
80.
Good. That's what I was asking you. So let us add 80. Miggy, are you there? So what is 80 plus 80? Miggy, tell me.
What? 16. 106.
160. That's
What?
good. Then another
160.
another 80. Add another 80 and tell me your answer.
I said it's 160.
Yes, add the third one.
20, 240.
240. Add another 80. Add another 80. Yes.
Fine.
Yes, what do you get?
I get
320, right?
fine.
Good. Now look up. How many 80s are here now? How many 80s are up here? Miggy, how many 80s are here?
There are
How many 80s are here?
4.
4. So that's our answer. What is 4 times 80, Miggy? Look up. I did 5 times 5, gave me 25. So that means the answer is 250. So what is 4 times 80? What is 4 times 80? What is 4 times 80?
4 times 80 is 320.
Yes. 320. Okay. Now let's subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So what's our remainder?
25. Excuse me,
25.
I need to go to toilet.
Okay, okay. Go and come back.
I'm here.
So you're back. All right. Look at the next example. We have 496 divided by 53, okay?
Fine.
Now, what we're going to do here, we'll try to see, are you looking at the screen? We'll try to see how many 50 can we see in 496? Like how many 5 is in 49? That's 9, okay?
Fine.
So we say 9 times 53. So 53 times 9. What is 9 times 3? That's 27. Then what is 9 times 5? That's 45 plus 2, that's 47. So we subtract 477, okay?
Fine.
Now, do 496 minus 477 and tell me your answer. 496 minus 477. Miggy, tell me your answer. 496 minus 477. What's your answer?
Yeah, wait for a while.
Okay.
It was just a second.
Okay, so what is the answer?
The answer is 9.
It's not 9, it's 19. Okay.
9 remains 19.
Yes.
What I
9.
meant.
What I asked you to do, I said 496 minus 477, and that is 19, okay?
Fine.
So that means if we say 496 divided by 53, We have our answer to be 9, remainder 19. Okay?
Fine.
Now let's try another one. Number 20. We have 590 divided by 70.
Fine.
590. Let me see it. 590 divided by 70. So this is 5. Okay, I think what we have here is 590 divided by 65, rather. 65, okay?
Fine.
So if it's 65, we can try to see how many 65 can we see in 590, okay?
Fine.
Or we can consider rounding it and say 70. So how many 7 is in 59? How many 7 can you say in 59?
Yeah.
How many 7 can you say in 59?
60.
In 59. Or how many 6 can you say in
I
59?
don't know it.
Okay, let's do it this way. So 65 plus 65. That is 130. Okay?
Fine.
Then plus another 65. Are you hearing me?
I should wait for a while.
Okay. Now we
Yeah.
have 65. If I say 65 times 10, that will be 650. Okay? But I have
Fine.
590, which is less than this. So let me remove a 65 from this. I have 10 minus 5 is 5. And 14 minus 6 is 9. Then I have 5 here. That's 595. So that means if I remove 1 out of the 10, I have just 9. Okay?
Fine.
So that means the 65 I can see here is what? 9. So what is 9 times 65? That will be 595. Okay?
Fine.
Oh, this is 595. Then that means, is it 595 or 585? Let me check it now. Hold on.
Yeah. What you say?
I want to check this subtraction again. Okay, 14 minus 6 is 8. Okay?
Fine.
So this is 8. And this is 5. That's 585. So I can see 9. 9 times 65 is 585. Is that clear?
Fine.
And when you subtract, what is 10 minus 5? That's 5. Then 8 minus 8 is 0, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So our answer is 9, remainder 5. Okay?
Fine.
So when we say 590 divided by 65, we have our answer to be 9, remainder 5. Okay? And how did I do this? Listen, I said because I want to say how many 65 is in 590, I firstly checked 10 of 65. It gave me 650, which is greater than 590. Is that clear?
Fine.
Then I removed a 65. I got 585, which is below the 590. Are you hearing me?
Fine.
Then that means I have seen 9 of 65, which is 585. Then after subtracting from the original number, you have 5 remaining. Okay?
Fine.
So with what we've done today, I believe that you should be able to face any of the division question that they will give you. Is that clear?
Fine.
And I want you to also do something. You should try to revise with the video, okay?
Fine.
So that's what we're going to be rounding up today's class. Today is Wednesday. So we'll be meeting again on Friday by God's grace, okay?
Fine.
All right, so what have we learned today, Miggy?
Yeah, what did you say?
What have we learned today? You're busy playing, boy.
No.
Yeah, what did you learn today?
We learned about division.
About division, right?
Right.
So do you think you can do division test now?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Pwede ba? Sigurado ba daw? Na? Pwede daw gawin ng test sa division.
I mean, are you ready for your test?
No, he's asking you. Are you ready for your test now?
Do you think if they give you the test, you can
fine.
do it?
Yeah,
You can?
fine.
Okay.
Ready. I just
Okay.
talked to my mom. But
Okay.
in other language, I just spoke her into Filipino.
Okay. 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 All right. So
Because
me.
I'm a Filipino. And my
Yeah.
mom is also a Filipino too.
Okay. Okay.
All of my families here in the Philippines are Filipino.
All right, Miggy. Okay.
Fine.
So we'll meet on Friday by God's grace. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Have a nice
Fine.
day.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.